Here is a twist on another hat shape. If you would like to draw this hat shape instead of this hat shape, I'm going to teach you how. But just remember, in both situations, there's patterns filled in the background for both. Now, I decided to keep the hat with one pattern of red, white all throughout. You can do that. You could do that with this hat. If you wanted to do one pattern repeated in this hat, you can. But what I'd like to show you now is how to draw this shape hat. So what you're going to need is a pencil and a piece of paper. So again, you're going to hold your paper the tall way, vertical, and you're going to want to use a pencil. I'm using the Sharpie only so you could see what I draw on the video camera. Okay, so let's get started. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with the poofy, little fuzzy pom-pom to the hat. It's really like a circle, but I added a little bit of bumpiness to it to show that it was fluffy. And I drew it near the top right, well, not edge, but upper right corner. So it's sort of a circle, little bumps to make it fluffy. Okay? Then you're going to go up near the top and you're going to do the inside. So I'm going to go in a little from the circle and I'm going to go up and curve back down almost like I'm making a letter S, like as if I would make an S, but I'm not going to. I'm going to finish and go with a curvy diagonal down near the bottom. Maybe go in a little. Okay. Then I'm going to go over a little bit at the top of the pom-pom. And I'm kind of going to trace that curve S line. But then I'm going to switch directions. So I'm curving up here. And rather than following it back, I'm going to do sort of a curvy diagonal to this edge. And I'm going to go down. All right, that's pretty good. Both sides are about even. Now I'm going to do a little fluffy rim to the hat. Sort of a cloud shape, sort of a loose, bumpy shape. Not too many bumps, just a few bumps so that it really gives a soft look. It's sort of like an oval, like this bottom of the hat, but it just has a few bumps. So I'm going to do a couple, not too many. All right, so there's my hat shape. Now, just like this hat, I want to divide it up in segments so that I can add some interesting patterns to it. So I'm going to add a section here, and I'm going to add a section here. And then I'm going to, just like the other hat, draw some lines that go out to the edge so that I can fill those spaces with some patterns. Not too many though. So these would all be filled with the patterns like I talked about in the first video. Okay, I hope that helps. Thanks. See you soon.